Hello, this is Zachary, and welcome back to day one of my preparation food thingy. Right now, I'm going to be making my lunch. And right now, I got all the ingredients ready. I got my bread, tomato, stuff. Right now, I'm going to be trying to make a sandwich. But it's not going to be a BLT, since there's no bacon. It's going to be a HLT, ham, lettuce, tomato. Alright, so first, I'm going to be making the bread. Putting the stuff. Alright, no, never mind. I need to cut the tomato first. Alright. Gotta cut by the side.
小心一点, be careful.
Okay. Alright.
You have to go on. You need to finish the tomato. You can save it for later.
I know. I'm cutting some of it.
Yeah. Okay, good. Next, what's next? 接下来是什么?
Alright, next I need to put the ingredients onto the bread. Alright, so first off, I'm making my sandwich. Put some tomato.
你有要放那个吗? Mayonnaise?
Yes, I'm going to be doing that. And then let me put on some ham.
What is the mayonnaise?
Right here. Alright. Gonna put some ham on this. Okay. Now I put some ham on it. It's time to put lettuce.
Do you like lettuce? 你喜欢
Yes,
lettuce 吗?
I like lettuce.
Tomato?
I love tomatoes.
Oh, good.
Okay. Now I put the lettuce up. Now I put the mayonnaise. Now I'm going to be putting the mayonnaise on the other piece of bread.
Oh, not two, but one side.
Right. Gotta get it everywhere. And now I can put them all together. HLT.
HLT.
There you go. Made my lunch.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna make another one for my mom.
You can do it later. So
Made my lunch.
Are you going to add some chips or that's it?
Yeah, I'm gonna add the pumpkin seed chips to the side. Lunch part 1, day 1 done.
Okay. 恭喜你 Good job.